In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to contact Gumroad support. Whether you're an aspiring creator or a seasoned entrepreneur using Gumroad to share your products, knowing how to reach out for help is essential. Let me walk you through the steps to connect with their support team effortlessly. First, make sure you're on the Gumroad website. Start by launching your preferred web browser and navigate to gumroad.com. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. This step is vital because you need to be logged into your Gumroad account to access the support options fully. After clicking login, you'll see a few login options. For this demonstration, we'll use Google. Click on the Google button and select the account you wish to associate with your Gumroad profile. This will seamlessly log you in provided you're using an account that's already linked to Gumroad. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Gumroad dashboard. From here, the next step to take is clicking on the Help link. This is typically found in the upper menu, sometimes denoted by a question mark or as a direct link labeled Help. Clicking this link will direct you to a range of resources designed to assist with common queries. At the Gumroad Help Center, you have several options. You can browse through the collection of articles available. These articles are categorized and offer detailed insights into various topics, ranging from account settings and payment issues to product management and more. Take a few moments to look through these, as they might have the answers you need without any further waiting. If browsing doesn't yield the desired result, you have another option at your disposal, the search bar. It's a convenient tool that allows you to type in specific keywords or phrases related to your issue. By doing this, you can quickly pinpoint relevant articles that might address your concern directly. By following these steps, you ensure that you have explored all possible self-service options provided by Gumroad to solve your issue. Remember, utilizing these resources can often lead to quicker resolutions, as many common questions and problems have already been addressed in their comprehensive help articles. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has made it easier for you to contact Gumroad support. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit, or leave a comment below if you have more questions. Good luck with your creative journey on Gumroad.